Hello crafters, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be giving this Roblox character a good glow up with all these different things. So first of all, let's take off her pimples, which is these red spots on her. So we have to use this soothing serum so then the pimples could dry. So let's put it on, like so, to each one of them. Okay. So now we put it on, let's just rub into them a little bit. Like that. Okay, now let's wait. Now it's all dry, let's use the tweezers to take them off. Like so. And let's put it on the tissue. The next one. Next one. And the final one. Okay, so all the pimples are gone off. So now she's nice and clean. Let's get our cleanser, Nivea cleanser, and let's remove all her dust. So now let's put it on like this, like that, over here, and the rest of it. Okay, so now you can put our Nivea cleanser away. Let's rub it in. Now all the bubbles are coming in. Let's rinse it out with our shower. Like so. Okay, so now all the dust is gone. Now her face is all clean. So let's use the tweezers to take her hair off. So the first one, there, the second one, the third one, okay, so now all our hairs are off. Now we have to put her under eye patch. This is Cherry Edition, so let's put it on. Right here. Right here. Now let's wait for that. And let's put a lip mask on. So let's take it out. So let's on like so. So now we have to wait. Okay, time to take it off. So let's take off the lip mask, and it looks like her lips are nice and pink again. They're not cracked anymore. So with her eye bags are gone, and now she looks nice and pretty. So let's put that here. Okay, now it's time for the cucumber eye patches. So let's put them on. Over here. Put this one on. Like so. And let's wait. Okay, so now let's take it off. Okay, so now let's take it off. I'll take this one off. And now she's looking all better. Okay, so now we have to put our watermelon face mask on. This is my favorite part, so let's open it up. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's open it up and take it out. Okay, so let's put it on like that. Okay, it looks so pretty, so let's wait now. While we do that, let's use our face roller to smoothen out her face. Let's use the other side. Like this. Okay, so now let's take her face mask off. And she looks all better. Okay, using our simple wipes, let's just give her one final clean. So let's take our wipes, just give her a nice clean. Okay, so now she's all clean. All the skincare's done, so now let's do the makeup. So first of all, let's get our lipstick and put it on. Like this. Okay, so let's put our lipstick back. And now let's put our blush on. So let's open the blush. And let's use our makeup brush and let's just put it on. Okay, so now we put the blush on, put that back over here, and now let's put some moisturizing cream. So let's put it on to make our face nice and shiny. Okay, so let's put that back. And finally, let's put the mascara. So sweet mascara, let's put it on. Okay, and now let's do the other side. Like that. And let's put the mascara inside. Let's put it back here. So now she's all finished and we've used everything. So I guess that's the end of our video. Have a good day and bye.